our system is scheduling system of data analytics for business course. We have developed an automated scheduling system for our data analytics for business course, where the objective was to come up with a timetable for each intake with allocation of classrooms, professor and student based on the number of enrollments. In this project, we are 3 group members, me, myself, Prachi, Minakshi and Chamanjot. This is our Python code for this system. We try to implement this via genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is very new algorithm for us, which we implemented in Python. We have in this algorithm, the generations will be created by themselves for and the best possible outcome, which we are getting as our output. So here you can see that we can take population size as 9. So how the long population size, how high population size is, we can get our best output. We are created all the constructors like rooms, instructors, courses, department, meeting times. So all this information we have taken from our database, which is a SQLite database. We implemented that database and put our all the information which was manual before in our database. So whenever we are running this code like this, we have to open this in terminal and simply we have to put python manage.py run server. So as you can see, our local host will be pop up over here, and when we click on that, it will redirect us to our home screen. So this is our home screen. We implemented this home screen in Django framework, and when we made this we made whole the framework like user friendly. You can edit or remove the elements from this system. So when in that one click, when I click on this generate timetable, it will automatically schedule timetable for us in just 1 to 2 minutes. So we have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes while this one is creating. So in the backend, this all the generations are created, and from the different generation, it will give us the best output. Okay, here you go. We are getting our output. This is for only semester 1. You can see that DAB SEM 1A. So these are 4 sections in which our semester 1 is divided, and we have no conflicts in this timetable. All the instructors and timings and rooms have no conflicts in between them, and it automatically creates this timetable for us, and room where we can sit, and the instructor and the class timing. Here are the more features. If you want to add any instructor, you can add instructor from here. We have to just put user ID and name. We can remove instructor from here. Suppose one instructor like T1 Manshri Maheshwari is not working right now, so we can just remove her by this cancel button. So that instructor will be removed from database. And if you want to add, then you can add any of the instructor. This one is the room. You can same edit the room. You can edit the capacity. You can insert the any room. You can insert any meeting time. You can insert course. You can select the instructor. You can insert the department, like for this is only for the one semester. You can add like semester 2, semester 3, semester 4, any of the semester, and you can also insert the section. Suppose you want 50 students in one section, then you just have to click on add section, and whatever you want to put the name of that section, suppose 5, that department for semester 2, and you have to put 12 classes in whole week. That's it, and you can submit. Then this one is in our database for now. So that's it. This is our whole system. We can generate the timetable in one click, and we can also edit it. So this is our system, and we work with Django, SQLite and Python.